Can you briefly introduce yourself?
Yes, ma'am. Have a good day. My name is Denilyn Valdez Casasola, 38 years of age.
Microphone. Okay.
38 of years.
Yes.
Uh, I am a college level and I am also a certified caregiver and undergo 6 months of training. I know how to perform the basic life support and do the first aid. I have two sons, 18 years old and 5 years old, both boys. I have a living partner. He is a driver. Uh, my parents is both farmers, and I have we have four siblings, two boys and two girls, and we are all Catholics. My work experience are 6 years being household here in the Philippines, serving four members of the family, including the two couples, a 17 years old boy and a 3 years old girl. And also, mom, my work experience in Hong Kong, year 2012 to 13. I'm also serving for members of the family, including the two couples, uh, 3 years old girl and a newborn baby, and also serving a popo. Yes,
Popo.
ma'am.
Is this
Yes,
Popo?
ma'am.
Okay, the Popo. How old is the Popo?
Ma'am, when 2012, she is 49 years old.
Okay. It's quite
Um,
young.
yeah.
Okay. So it's 2012 to 2013 your job experience in Hong Kong.
Yes, ma'am.
Oh, it's over a decade already.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, I see. So do you remember the location?
Ma'am, I work in the Colon Tung.
Kowloon. Okay. Okay, and can you tell me again why you didn't finish the contract? Why you break? Can you tell the employer again the situations?
Um, uh, when I get a call for my relatives in Philippines, uh, I tell to my employer, my mom answered that, please, mom, consider my termination of my contract because my mother is suffered from cardiac arrest and I need to go back in Philippines because no one could take care of my sons on that year. Then they asked me if I want to go back when my mother get better. But sad to say, mom, 5 years, 5 years of recovering. So my mother get well after 5 years. Then my mom said that if you are willing to go back, because I know that my mom answer is want me to go back because they want me to stay because they told me that my child this is already good in English because of you teach a lot for her like that,
Mm-hmm.
mom. So they insisted me to stay, but mom, I said to them that sorry because my mother is too weak and
Okay.
my son is 2 years old that year, mom, and
And
my and their child is 3 years old, so it's too hard to decide if I stay or to go back Philippines. Then my mom
okay, I
said that
understand.
okay.
I understand.
Mm,
So
mm.
after 2013, you don't have work in Philippines.
I work, mom. I work here in the Philippines for 6 years. For four members of the family also.
Which year?
Seven
Which year?
2014 to 2020, mom.
Okay. You take care of 3 years old boys at 17, right? You told me.
Yes, mom.
Okay, I see. Okay, so after 2020, what is your job?
Mom, I went to 2020, mom. I earned a lot. I earned a bit of income, so I decided to put a small business like the restaurant. I cook, mom. Then I sell to the public market.
Mm,
Yes, mom.
okay. Okay. Thank you so much for your time. Thank you. Bye bye.
Yes,
Bye
ma'am. Hope
bye.
to see you soon, ma'am. Take
Bye
care.
bye.